Hey my friends, welcome back. I'm doing another unboxing here. Today we're checking out the Eleproof Bluetooth earpiece. So this is a single Bluetooth earpiece or earbud with a charger pack. And this one boasts 120 hours of playtime. I don't know if that's just by itself or with the chargers from the power pack as well. So the case is a little charger too. This one has, I believe, 1450 or 1500 mega amp hours in the little charger box. So you can actually charge your phone off of that, which is kind of cool. A nice little feature there. So let's continue with the unboxing. So this runs about $21 on Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And I'll also be doing a review and demonstration video soon, hopefully. And I'll be putting that link in the description below also if you guys want to see more about this product. So what just fell out of the bottom? Okay, so in the bottom here was a couple little different silicone ear covers, so just to adjust the size if you have different sized ears or whatever. Here we go. Another, we got a micro USB to USB cord here. And here we have the little earbud right here. See if I can't pull that guy out of there. Doesn't want to come out of there very well. Okay, there we go. Wow, that is really small and pretty sleek looking. It's got a nice little kind of cool look to it. Very, very small, like I was saying. No no sharp edges or anything. It's all nice and smooth and rounded. So that's pretty cool there. Looks like it has like a light up top on there that'll show you when it's pairing or whatever. Okay, also we have the power pack, and like I said, 1400 I think and 50 mega amp hours mAh on this guy. So this is pretty cool. In the back you have the micro USB if you want to charge the pack, and also you have a USB out port so you can charge your phone if you want to, which is really cool. This is kind of a smaller item, so you can kind of take that with you, and especially if you travel a lot, it's nice to have a little extra boost if you need to charge your phone, because some phones say they last a long time, but with all the apps and stuff we have on nowadays, the battery doesn't really last super long. So if I could just figure out how to open this up now. I don't want to force it. Maybe it just well, my goodness, maybe some kind of trickery here. Maybe wow, interesting. Well, the box is this bottom part is nice, and it's that kind of like silicone feel to it, so it's kind of cool. It's got some, it's like you could easy to grip. It's like a non-slip thing, but wow. Naturally, I just trimmed my fingernail, so I can't get that off of there, but oh, silly me. Okay, so it has like actually a little ridge here on this side, and it just opens up like that. So that was kind of funny, kind of embarrassing, but you can see here, I'll get a close up here if I can. This side has that little ridge there. I should have known. You just push that up right there. When you know, it's pretty easy. Okay. And so it's just a single earbud, like you said, and it's got a magnet in there, so it just pulls it in there onto the charger, so you don't have to force it down or anything, and it looks like a little blue light's flashing when it's charging. Oh, excuse me, my goodness. And there we have it. So pretty cool little device here. I'm going to be doing a setup video, review, and a demonstration and all that. So I'll be checking out the distance on this thing, and maybe see how long the battery lasts and stuff like that. So pretty cool little device here. I'll be charging the pack up too, and seeing if I can charge my phone on it, stuff like that. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. I'll be doing that review video shortly and have it out for you guys soon. So everyone have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time. Take care.